Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the PC and launching Windows Recovery. Save your work in close apps so the system can reboot cleanly. Then open Settings, go to Update and Security and choose Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. This forces Windows into the recovery environment rather than a normal boot. Once done, you'll see a blue options screen. Make sure to select Troubleshoot next to continue into the boot configuration tools that lead to safe mode. After selecting Troubleshoot, choose Advanced Options and then Startup Settings to change how Windows boots. Click Restart to make the menu appear. Windows pauses and lists numbered modes so you can select the exact environment you need. Press 4 for Safe Mode, 5 for Safe Mode with Networking, or 6 for Safe Mode with Command Prompt. You press the corresponding number key. Windows will then boot with minimal drivers and services, so you can diagnose problems without extra software interfering. Once in safe mode, you can uninstall problematic drivers, run antivirus or system file checker, and change startup settings. Work methodically. Apply one change, reboot normally to test, and repeat if needed. This isolates the cause. To exit, simply restart the PC. Windows should boot normally. If the system keeps returning to safe mode or won't boot, use System Restore from the recovery options or boot from USB recovery media to repair the installation. This is the key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.